Forgive the noise, fans are on because the humidity is about 1,000%. Let me show you what we're doing next in the endeavor to get the Mustang on 4 wheels. See, here's an array of parts. These are the brake rotors to go on the Mustang for the disc brake kit. This, of course, is the master cylinder. That's not going to go on there as of yet because right now all I'm trying to do is get the wheels on it. These are the Kelsey Hayes style 4-piston calipers true to the original Mustang. Let me get these out here. Pretty cool stuff, very nice parts. 4-piston, lots of stopping power. It'll do just fine. And of course here, what we've got, brake lines, all the necessary hardware we need, bearings for the rotors, dust covers, the whole 9 yards. I think I might be painting these, or I might even just leave them bare metal, I don't know, but I think I am going to paint them. They are galvanized, but I think I might paint them. Kit even comes with various types of Loctite and even some grease, although I've got the grease I'm going to use on my own because I do have my bearing packer, which I've only used once, so I'm going to have to relearn how to use it. But the good news is it does a really good job, and it's much, much neater than the old-fashioned way, which I was taught my dad. All right, you can see those spindles are bare. Let's get started. Okay, up first, one of the first things that needs to go on are the dust shields. These are bare metal. I am going to prime them and then paint them the satin black of everything else, and then we're going to start assembling the disc brakes on the front of this car. Well, all right. The brakes are on it on both sides. The rotors are, rather. I've still got to put the calipers on, put the brake pads on, and hook the actual hoses up. That is going to come, of course. The thing about this is, for some reason, I can figure all this out, but dust caps always give me very much difficulty. So if anybody has any secret to getting those dust caps on, hit me up, because I always struggle with those. But what's next? Get the calipers on, get the brake pads on, and then that bushing that I'm missing on the strut on the other side there will be here tomorrow. Put that on, and once the calipers are on, that bushing's on, this is going to be ready for be all four wheels. Now I'm going to add to this, this is the next morning from working on the last segment of this video. The frustration of mounting that dust cap kind of aggravated me, and I went to the instructions and had to read it. I'm going to post a picture, a screenshot of the actual instructions. I think you'll get a kick out of this. As you can see, apparently I'm not the only one that actually had to deal with this particular issue. The good news is I think we got it sorted. Let's continue now. And with that, mission accomplished. We are on all four wheels, good to go. I've still got to replace this bushing here, which is not that big of a deal. We're ready to go. All I got to do is get the bushing in and bolt that up. But we are on four wheels, and I can more freely move this thing around the shop now and get ready to make room to do body work on that. I got to clean my shop up as well. That's going to do it now. I'm going to have videos on the Cobra coming up next. Also planning some work on the 32 Ford, getting it closer to get first start. That may do it for a little while on the Mustang, because I've got it to a point where it's a good stopping point. I've used the parts that I've gotten in. We're good to go on that. Be sure and hit like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.